Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Riders Republic cross-platform. Riders Republic offers full cross-platform functionality, meaning you can connect with friends regardless of their gaming system. This includes PlayStation, Xbox, and PC players all joining the same events. To get started, simply ensure your game is fully updated to the most recent version, which often includes important stability and connectivity improvements for a smooth experience. Adding friends across different platforms in Riders Republic is straightforward. Navigate to the in-game social menu, which is usually accessible from the main hub. From there, you'll need your friend's exact Ubisoft Connect username. Enter this into the search bar to send them a friend request. Once they accept, they will appear in your friends list, ready to join your next big race or trick battle. Once your cross-platform friends are added, joining a game session together is simple. From your friends list, select the friend you wish to play with and send them an invitation to your group. After they accept, your group will be formed. You can then queue up for any event, whether it's a mass race, a trick battle, or just exploring the open world. The game automatically matches you with other players across all supported platforms. When playing cross-platform, remember a few key tips. Voice chat is fully supported, allowing seamless communication with your friends regardless of their platform. Your game progression, including all unlocks and gear, is linked to your Ubisoft Connect account, ensuring consistency across any system you play on. Finally, a strong and stable internet connection is vital for minimizing lag and ensuring a smooth, enjoyable experience for everyone in your cross-platform group.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.